Hey guys, here comes the train. Nice. Look at that. NS, awesome. A milk train. I did not expect that. I wouldn't have known the train was coming if it didn't sound its horn. Else I would have missed it. Yes. Awesome. Wait till this car passes. Look at this. Nice. Well, I haven't uploaded a video since a couple days. Well, no, like a couple weeks. I wasn't expecting to see this. TILX. It's going down to Berea. We've been down there before. That was a great time. We got a lot of trains there. We saw a lot of trains there. Oh yeah, here comes the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye. I will see you next time. Bye.